how to buy from Alibaba with free shipping. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can go ahead and get free shipping on your Alibaba purchase. Basically, first things first, you want to head over to the Alibaba website right here. You could be using their mobile application or on your browser. From there, you can then go ahead and proceed by creating your account. Basically, right after creating your account, this message will show up, which is your free shipping. On your first order shipped via Alibaba.com logistics, you will get free shipping. And so all you have to do is to go ahead and check out any items from Alibaba right here. Now, as an example, I'll go ahead and check out this item right here. And right after that, just go ahead and click on start order. Right after that, just go ahead and adjust your order. And right after, if you go ahead and click on two more options right here, this menu will show up where you can then go ahead and choose economy. From there, you will be able to get the free shipping on your Alibaba purchase. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. And as always, thank you.